Nationwide lockdown extended till May 17. Three more COVID-19 patients discharged from hospitals of Assam. EM Ratan Teron honors daily wages on International Labour Day. Hello and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I'm Jillian Sepi with the latest news of the day. The latest news that has just come in this evening, nationwide lockdown has been extended till May 17. The announcement was made by Union Home Ministry here this evening. Here is a report.
As per the new guidelines issued by the Ministry of Home Affairs, the lockdown, which began on March 25th and later extended till May 3, has further been extended for another 2 weeks, that is May 17. The ministry also informed that air transport, railway transport, metro travel, interstate road movement, running of schools, colleges, operations of hotels, restaurants, theaters, malls, gyms, religious places will continue to remain suspended until further notice. Other activities will resume under strict regulations. Also, as per the latest notification, normal services may resume in green zone districts from the 4th of May onwards, with limited number of activities which are prohibited throughout the country, irrespective of a zone. However, buses can operate with up to 50% seating capacity and bus depots can operate with up to 50% capacity. Apart from that, it has also been made clear that all goods traffic is to be permitted irrespective of zones. Newsdesk report, Karbi Anglong Live.
Moving into another news, in a press briefing this evening, Assam Health Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma stated that 3 more COVID-19 patients has been discharged from the hospital today. Here is a report.
According to the Health Minister, 2 patients from Morigao and 1 patient from Golaghat were discharged today after they tested negative. With this, out of the total 42 COVID-19 patients in the state, only 9 remains active. 1 COVID-19 patient from Nagaland who was treated in Guwahati Medical College and Hospital has also been discharged today. The minister also informed that as per the latest notification from the Union Health Ministry, out of the 32 districts of Assam, 30 has been declared as green zones, while Dhubri, Goalpara and Morigao has been listed under orange zone. Assam Health Minister Dr. Sharma, however, said that the status of Bongaigaon may change as the district currently has 5 active cases. The minister also informed that the Chief Minister would be holding a meeting later in the evening to discuss on means to bring back people of the state stranded in different parts of the nation. Newsdesk report, Karbi Anglong Live.
Amidst the ongoing nationwide lockdown and with continued restrictions on all forms of public gatherings, EM Ratan Teron today visited the Diphu market and honored several workers for their service towards the society on the occasions of the International Labour Day. Here is a report.
On the occasion of the International Labour Day, popularly known as May Day, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Executive Member in charge of Town and Country Planning, Ratan Teron today visited Diphu Main Market, where he interacted with several workers, during which he lauded workers engaged in different professions for their service and inspiring others of dignity of work. The executive member also felicitated workers with a gamosa and provided each of them with a hand sanitizer and mask. Meanwhile, workers at the market expressed their pleasant surprise over the humble interaction and receiving words of encouragement from the local elected representative. Bikram Crow reporting for Karbi Anglong Live.
Moving towards the selfless acts from different individuals across the district, several citizens stepped out to contribute towards the severely affected sections of the society. Their noble gestures have been most instrumental in instilling strength among the less advantageous section of the society. Here are the reports from our different sources.
Led by Khorsing Tokbi, Hemanta Tokbi and Hirjir Ingtika Tharpi, 25 government employees today distributed food items to more than 100 lockdown-affected families of Nihang Ingti village at Okereng. The food items for the crisis-hit families were arranged from their own savings. During the distribution, group urged upon the people to maintain distance among themselves during the program. Dhaniram Rongpi, Hevali Phangchopi, Indira Ingtipi, and Dhonsing Terang were also present to assist in the distribution. The Red Cross Society also provided and distributed soaps to 30 children and explained the correct method of hand washing. On the other hand, Upper Habjan SGB Rupsing Hanse also distributed coconut saplings to 35 families of his village under the initiative of a local youth Jirjar Hanse here today. The small initiative was taken as an effort to encourage the villagers towards practicing plantation of fruits and trees in their compounds. Newsdesk reports, Karbi Anglong Live.
And that's all we have for today. Stay safe and thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live.